This is neck rehab phase 2. So we're gonna add in some active banded exercises. So taking the band here, we're gonna have the tension into the back here, and we're gonna start by just flexing away from the tension, getting a few reps there. Coming out to the side, we can do some lateral bending. So taking my left ear to the left shoulder. We can also do some rotation. So looking away from the tension. And then coming into the front, we can do some neck extension from here. So trying to look up towards the sky. After that, we're gonna add in some exercises, some stretches. So hiking my shoulder up all the way. And then I'm gonna drop it down into the front and bend my head away from the shoulder. And then going the opposite direction, hiking my shoulder up, taking it behind me, and laterally flexing away. And we're just gonna hang out here for about 2 to 3 breaths.